the hard stuff to give you a false sense of dismay. Let us take a quick look at the overhand opposite stacked circle, which is this guy. I'm gonna mirror you. Let's drill your left hand first. So we'll go bottom to top, big extension bottom to top, big extension bottom, big extension top, big extension bottom, big extension top, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one, and come down. We're gonna start with your right hand up top, and top, swing to bottom, swing to top, swing to bottom, swing to top, swing to bottom, and up and down, and 3 more, and 2 more sets, and last set, back up to top. We're gonna put it together, so we're gonna go across your left side first. So 5, 6, 7, and left side pedal, right side pedal, 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 and then hold it here. 5, 6, 7, 8, left side pedal, right side pedal, 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 and last set of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left side and pedal, right side and pedal, left side and pedal, right side and pedal, left side pedal, right side pedal, last time left, last time right, and down. So starting with your left hand, I'm gonna mirror you, and we'll go from the bottom up top and bottom, swinging to the top, swing to the bottom, and top and bottom and top, and now 3 more sets, and 2 more sets, and last set, bottom, top, and back down. With your right hand, it'll start at the top. Remember to get it in the midline of your body. And 5, 6, 7, and top, swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom. 3 more sets, and 2 more sets, and last set, and back up. You're stacked with your right on top, left on bottom. We're gonna go across the right side, and then the left side, and the right side, and the left side, and the right side, and the left side, and the right side, and the left side, and hold it here. Hold it here, and go to the stack. I'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on 8, go up to here, and we'll start on the 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, stack it, and right side, left side, right side, left side, go around the right side, around your left side, around your right side, around your left side, and 1 more time, and bring it back down to underhand opposite butterfly. 5, 6, 7, 8, and bring the right one up, and stack, swing 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 and stack, and last time, and then we'll leave it here. 5, 6, 7, and your right side, your left side, 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 and bring it down.